Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use flash fill in Excel. Open an Excel sheet. So let's say we want to have the first 4 digits of this series. So we'll write the first 4 digits for the first row and the first column and then simply select the cell, and from the data tab click on flash fill. As you can see, it's worked. It has given you the first 4 digits of the for um the three of the series. Well, if you want to have the middle numbers, you have to write the first number and then select the cells and click on flash fill, and you can see the middle numbers are appeared. So in the same way, if you want to have the last numbers, the last 3 digits, simply write the last 3 digits and click on flash fill. As you can see, it's just pasted the rest of the numbers. You can use this technique with the text too. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.